Good afternoon, my audience. I am Devashish Raturi, final year law student from DAB PG College, Dehradun, interning in ubAdvocate under the guidance of respected Mr. Jeevan Prakash Sir, advocate on record in Honorable Supreme Court of India. My topic is digital rape. Does digital rape refer to a crime that are committed online? Is the victim body genuinely a victim of digital rape? Many of you might have a thought that digital rape refer to an online sexual assault or cybercrime that doesn't include a body. However, this is untrue. The term digital rape is all a rage now. Therefore, the prefix digital is added to the word rape may refer to a digital sphere. The term digital rape can lead no one believe that it is connected to the internet and the digital world. It won't be unusual to think in those terms given how heavily our world has been digitized, especially given the prevalence of sexual harassment on the internet. The term digital rape referred to an unusual penetration of someone's toe, finger, or thumb. It is nothing to do with a cybercrime. In English, the word digit referred to those body part because it was one thought of a molestation rather than rape. The majority of you are not familiar with the term. In digital rape, the offender presses his or her finger on a victim's skin and forces them to perform sexual assault. A person is charged with the digital rape when, in a plain English, he or she insert one or more his or her finger into the victim's vagina without her consent. Why the term digital rape was coined? After Nirbhaya rape case, digital rape was recognized in 2013. The victims of digital rape in India were not given justice before 2013 because there were no such laws. In 2013, following the Nirbhaya rape case, the term digital rape was coined. Later, it included under the different portion of protection of a child from sexual assault, that is POSCO Act, new legislation. India didn't have legislation that offered justice to those who had been the victim of digital rape before 2013. The Indian Penal Code definition of a rape did not include digital rape before Nirbhaya Act 2013. To extend that any item or portion of a body not being the penis is inserted into the vagina, urethra and anus of a child or causes the kid to do with him or any other person. As defined in Section 3 of POSCO Act, it is already constituted a penetrative sexual assault. Now let's talk about the punishment and fine. The IPC and POSCO Act specify the penalty. According to POSCO Act, the criminal will receive 5-year prison sentence, and if the offence is covered with the Section 376 of a IPC, the sentence may increase to 10 years of a life in prison. The clauses governing the POSCO penalties are as follows. As the Section 3 of a POSCO Act specify penetrative sexual assault, and Section 5 of the POSCO Act define about the aggravated penetrative sexual assault, which is defined as committing penetrative sexual assault against a child below the age of 12. According to this provision, the penalty for the serious penetrative sexual assault can be anything for the strict 20-year life imprisonment, which include the rest of a natural life or even the death penalty. There is also further penalty. At last, I want to conclude that it was realized right away Indian rape needed to be changed in wake of Nirbhaya rape case. Before 2013, definition of a rape does not include the digital rape. However, the following several horrifying rape incidents as mentioned, Supreme Court was forced to modify its definition of a rape because there was an additional method for a male to disrespect a lady or the child dignity. In 2013, the definition of a rape was expanded to include forcibly inserting a penis or other foreign object or any other parts of a body into a woman's vagina, mouth, anus, or urethra. This was done to account all of these incidents and horrifying crime. According to an activist who worked with a senior citizen, most elderly ladies don't report the sexual assault because they think no one will believe them. In addition, little is known about the digital rape. The sooner out our politicians look into the matter, the better for the society. And all of these should serve as a warning. To fulfill society demand, law must be modified. Although digital rape is a terrible indictment of our culture and is best to embrace dismal trend and make sure that the criminals are not left off off the hook because the legislation is insufficient to hold them accountable. Thank you.